Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs.
Today we have this, an Actek CPU board, sent in to us by an automotive shop. This unit was used as the main control board for a Rottler F8A boring machine, and is an important part for many machine shops. On arrival, the unit would not power on or communicate with the rest of its system. After we completely rebuilt the board and replaced some defective IC components, the board powered on again, and we made sure it would continue to operate by leaving the board on for a prolonged period. ERD works on a multitude of parts in the machining industry and is dedicated to getting your systems back up and running. So, if your control board is not acting right, call us today for your quote.